Hey friends, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to my channel Business Ideology. Start a business from scratch. Starting a business from scratch can be challenging, but it's also an exciting and rewarding experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of starting a successful business from scratch. Before we get started, let's talk about the importance of finding the right business idea. To find the right idea, you need to start by identifying a problem that needs solving. This could be a problem you have experienced personally or one that you have observed in your community. Once you have identified a problem, the next step is to brainstorm possible solutions. Write down all your ideas and evaluate each one based on its feasibility, profitability, and potential impact. Market research is also crucial at this stage. You need to understand your target market, their needs and preferences, and the competition in your industry. This will help you refine your idea and determine whether there is a viable market for your product or service. With your idea and research in hand, it's time to create a business plan. A business plan outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections for your business. It's also a document that you can use to secure funding from investors or lenders. Once you have your business plan, it's time to register your business. This involves choosing a legal structure, registering with the government, and obtaining any necessary permits or licenses. Next, you need to set up your business location. This could be a physical storefront or an online platform. You need to create a brand identity and establish your online presence through social media, website, or e-commerce platforms. If you're planning to hire employees, you need to start recruiting and interviewing candidates. You need to create a positive work environment and offer competitive compensation and benefits to attract and retain the best talent. Finally, you need to start marketing your business. This could involve advertising, public relations, and social media marketing. You need to create a strong brand message and communicate it to your target market through various channels. Starting a successful business from scratch is hard work, but with the right idea, planning, and execution, it's also a fulfilling and rewarding experience. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.